everything I gave to you.
What is going on, internet friends? Hope you guys are doing absolutely sensational as per always. This week I nearly made a flaw, a mistake, an amateur error, and that would be cramming too much content into one video, which I guess would be great for you guys but shocking for me, because that would mean I'd have to find other things to churn for the next 2 weeks. But the next 2 weeks are going to be very car-filled, and if you're not a car person, I suggest you still stick around, because there are going to be some delicious cars. This week you guys will see a 1 of 11 F12 in Largo. Fun fact, the Ferrari F12 in Largo race is currently on sale for 13.5 million rand. So if you have a couple of million burning a hole in your pocket, the people at race will gladly help you out. The 1 of 1 RS6 with a Darwin Pro kit, the GT Street Tech Art, whatever, the Tech Art Porsche by race, a Brabus AMG GT by race. Then we went to Automania, where they have a 720 on sale, a Lamborghini Murcielago on sale. I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys actually enjoy the video. But next week you guys will be able to see the Secret Sunday SA Talk first breakfast run. This week I'll sneak in some footage of me getting a passenger ride in a modified BMW M2, and let's just say I put myself just a little bit. Fudge. And more than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this week and next week's videos. Yeah, follow me on the socials of media to get sneak peeks of what's to come. But until then, to make sure you don't miss next week's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. But until then, remember to love life and all the people in it. We love you.
Nowadays got a side chick on side chick. They keep hacking my iPhone, about to get a sidekick. I don't like to stand up, told that girl to ride it. America me buy it, Glow Yard buy it, Philly Limb buy it, Rico is buy it, Off-White buy it, even though I don't got buy it. V-Long, tatted on me if you thought I was lying. Girl, you need a back, or you need some trying. How you do like that, Uzi? 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 Try it out. Like that, Uzi. Nowadays got a side chick on side chick. They keep hacking my iPhone, about to get a sidekick. I don't like to stand up, told that girl to ride it. America me buy it, Glow Yard buy it, Philly Limb buy it, Rico is buy it, Off-White buy it, even though I don't got buy it. V-Long, tatted on me if you thought I was lying. Girl, you need a back, or you need some try. How you do like that, Uzi? 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 Try it out. Like that, Uzi.
Are you sure?
That's freaking bad! That's freaking bad! That's fucking bad, but that's how that. Oh my jeez! Oh my jeez! That is insane. This car is crazy. That is the most mad thing of all time. Well, half. Wow. I can taste my heart.
Do something about it.